Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and spring is in the air, so I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely delicious vegetable pasta primavera. The first thing we're going to do is start off by prepping up some vegetables, and baby carrots are in peak season right now. To cut them a little bit different, I'm simply going to use a peeler to almost shave them very thin. We're going to set those to the side, and then I've got some fresh asparagus stalks. Now you can cut these whichever way you want, but I'm going to cut them on a bias and maybe about 1 inch. We're now going to set those to the side, and fresh leeks are also in season. You can really only eat the white part that's at the bottom, so separate it from the green, slice off the ends, and then what I like to do is slice them in half and then set them next to each other and then thinly slice them. Sometimes they can be a little bit dirty from dirt. Be sure to give them a rinse if that's the case. Set them to the side and then add some olive oil to a very large frying pan over medium-high heat. We are going to add in those leeks and cook them for maybe 3 to 4 minutes or until they get a little bit of a brown on them. At this point, what we're going to do is add in the asparagus, give it a quick saute for about a minute or so. Then we're going to add in the shaved carrots, saute that for about a minute. And then I'm going to add in some peas and some packed fresh baby spinach, which is in peak season in the spring. We're just going to lightly saute these for a minute or two. Don't worry about wilting the spinach completely. And then I've got some fettuccine pasta. Heinen's is making its own pasta, has several different varieties, and it's absolutely fantastic. So we are going to boil it in a large pot of boiling salted water. Add it to the pan with vegetables. We're going to take 1.5 cups of that hot pasta water and add it to it, along with some fresh shredded Parmesan cheese. Of course, we're going to season it very well with salt and pepper. And then using some tongs, what you want to do is toss all of these ingredients together until it becomes nice and creamy. This looks fantastic. Then what I'm going to do is serve it up on a platter to showcase all those delicious vegetables and pasta. I know you're going to love this spring recipe.